Canadian Delicacy, Bannock Uncovered. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the culinary traditions of Canada. Have you ever heard of Bannock? It's a delicious and significant part of Canadian cuisine. Join us as we uncover the story and culture behind this simple yet flavorful dish. Bannock is a traditional bread, originally made by Indigenous peoples in North America. This bread is usually flat, and can be baked, fried, or cooked over an open flame. Bannock is known for its versatility. Depending on the region or personal preferences, ingredients can vary, but the basic elements are flour, baking powder, salt, water, and sometimes fat. Bannock played an essential role in the survival of early Indigenous tribes, especially during times when food was scarce. Its simplicity made it easy to prepare, and the ingredients were often readily available. Over time, as settlers arrived in Canada, they too adopted and adapted the Bannock recipe, making it an integral part of Canadian cultural and culinary history. Today, Bannock has taken on new forms and flavors. In addition to the traditional recipe, contemporary versions might include sweeteners, dried fruits, or savory ingredients. Bannock has also found its way into urban cafes and restaurants, often served with jam, syrup, or even as the base for sandwiches. Interested in trying Bannock for yourself? Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, water, as needed. Optional: a bit of lard or butter for added flavor. Instructions: mix the dry ingredients. Slowly add water, mixing until you have a soft dough. Roll out the dough on a floured surface to about 1/2 inch thickness. Fry in a pan with a little oil or bake in an oven until golden brown. Enjoy with your favorite toppings. Bannock isn't just a bread. It's a symbol of resilience, adaptation, and the blending of cultures in Canada. Whether you enjoy it in its traditional form or with a modern twist, Bannock offers a taste of Canadian history. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this delightful dish. Happy cooking and even happier learning!